Autumn in Montreal.
You're sitting in your kitchen and you're clearly overwhelmed by the fridge, filled with takeout containers. You pace back and forth, say, I want to eat healthy. I know I should eat more plants, but it's just so hard to make time for it. And don't even get me started on the grocery shopping. Dun, dun, dun. I mean, I've tried meal prepping, but it's always such a hassle. And then I end up eating the same thing for a week straight. It's like my taste buds want a mutiny. And you pace back and forth, look defeated. I guess I'm just doomed to a life of greasy takeout and sugary snacks. Not so fast. Behold the secret to plant-based bliss. Batch cooking. Batch cooking, really? You say? Oh yes, my friend. Batch cooking. It's like magic. You spend a few hours cooking up a storm and then you have delicious, healthy meals ready to go for weeks. Well, how does it work? Your friend says. It's simple. You cook a big batch of something like a hearty stew or a flavorful grain bowl, then you divide it into portions and freeze them. Voila! Instant healthy meal. But what about variety? Variety, we've got that covered. You could make a whole bunch of different things like soups, curries, stir fries, and more. The possibilities are endless. And I don't have to worry about grocery shopping every day? Nope. Just do one big grocery trip, stock up on ingredients, and you're good to go. I think we're onto something here. Goodbye takeout. Hello healthy, delicious, and convenient food. The batch cooking. Remember, the key to making healthy habits stick is to make them easy. Batch cooking is a perfect example of this. By preparing meals in advance, you're reducing the friction involved in eating healthy. Make it easy, and by making your healthy meals delicious and satisfying, you're making them attractive. Plus, when you have a freezer full of homemade healthy meals, it's much more satisfying to reach for a healthy option than a sugary treat. And finally, by batch cooking, you're making it obvious that healthy meals are available and accessible. So let's raise a glass or a Tupperware to batch cooking.